Gates open, they're up and racing. As expected, Erica's talent draws for your lead. Speed to reaches Saudi outside. Power negotiator by the rail. Then comes Super Elegant. Una Mujer running in between runners. Then moving up party outside. Western Champ. Taste and See, followed by Live in Manila. Then running on the outside is Precious Metal and the Red Hot Water. 9A is running at the tail of the field past the 3/4 mile pole and heading towards the last 900. Erica's Talent, a solo leader by about 8 lengths. Running in second is Speed to Riches. Western Jump now catching the third spot and followed by Super Elegant. Heading towards the last 800. Erica's Talent maintaining an 8 lengths lead, moving up to take second. Western Champ by the rail. Speed to Riches. Super Elegant remains in fourth. Live in Manila. Then comes Power Negotiator and Dory outside. Precious Metal. 9A Red Hot Water is by the rail. Taste and See. Una Mujer now running at the tail of the field as they head towards the last 450. No change with the leader. Carias Herrera Moreno on Erica's Talent is still looking good in front, this time by about 3 lengths. Super Elegant is sorry outside is Speed to Riches. Erica's Talent shortening the gap on the outside is Super Elegant. Super Elegant now moving up on the outside. It's now Super Elegant takes the lead by about a length and a half over Speed to Riches. And leading the finish line, it's going to be Super Elegant, Speed to Riches, Erica's Talent, Live in Manila, Western Champ, Power Negotiator, Precious Metal, 9A Red Hot Water, Una Mujer, and Taste and See.